Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. And today guys, I'll be showing you how to watch Disney Plus with your friends. So yeah guys, you can use this option to watch the same movie or TV show with your friends at the same time. So you can comment, you react, and so on and so on. So yeah guys, this is a very cool feature, so make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go to disneyplus.com and log into your account or create a new account if you do not already have one. So yeah guys, after logging into your account, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the shows that you can watch and movies and so on and so on. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and find the show that you want to watch. Let's say this show right here is the one we want to watch with our friends, so go ahead and click on this show right here. So you guys, you'll be then prompted up by this new page of this show where you can either start playing it or read the trailer and so on and so on. So as you can see here guys, there is an option right here which is called Group Watch. This is the option that you want to use when you want to watch the same show with your friends. So if you see, you can go ahead and click on this option right here which is called Group Watch, and this will bring you to this page right here. So what you guys now guys, what you can do is you can go ahead and click on this plus sign right here on the right side of the screen, and this will open up this screen where you can copy the link that you can then send to your friends on WhatsApp or any other messaging platform and let them enter this code into their browser. Then they will be browsed and they will be connected with you on Disney Plus, and all you have to do just guys is click on start stream and you will all start watching the same show at the same time. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. That's how you watch shows with your friends. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.